Hey, hello, hi friends. Here I come up with the corona information. Hope definitely it will hope helpful to all of you. So let's understand the symptoms of the corona. The first symptom is fever, then loss of the smell, then loss of taste, then throat infection, throat irritation, and a heavy headache at the start, followed by the fever. These are the some symptoms of the corona. Once these symptoms found in your body, go for the below mentioned test. Firstly, go for the antigen test if it is available in free of cost. Only then go for the antigen test. If your antigen test is positive, then go for RT-PCR test. It costs 800 rupees at every corona center. If you have the cold or any bacterial infection, then might be your antigen test is positive. So if your antigen test is positive, you need not to worry. It doesn't mean that you are corona positive. Then once your RT-PCR is positive, then go for the HRCT test. HRCT is nothing but the lungs X-ray. Okay, the lungs X-ray, that is HRCT test. Into HRCT test, there are the three types. There is a mild, moderate, and a severe. Actually, there is a CT score is mentioned. CT severity score. If it is between 0 to 8, then it is known as a mild corona. If it is in between 9 to 16, then it is a moderate, and if it is between 17 to 25, then it is severe. Now, when to home isolate or when to hospitalize? If mild HRCT score is mild, then home isolation. You can take the treatment at home also. And what are the treatments required? That all the treatments are mentioned in the last slide. If your CT score is a moderate, then you can also go for the home isolation, and same treatment you have to follow mentioned in the last slide. But you have to monitor your SpO2, that is oxygen level, and any major problem found in your body, then you have to inform regularly to your doctor. If the severe, then hospitalization is a must, because in severe cases, already lot of infection is spread into your lungs, and your oxygen level is already very low. So hospitalization is required. Actually, most of the people are having the fear in mind about the corona, and there is a lot of the misunderstanding between the peoples. So no actual facts about the corona. Actually, corona it gets spread if you come in the contact with the COVID patient more than 15 minutes, and the distance between you and the COVID infected person is less than 1 meter. Okay, or if you come in contact with the COVID infected person in a closed cubicle, that is like AC or in a car, etc. Generally, corona lasts long in the body for 3 days after taking the medicines. Okay, um, but in 3 days, what are the damages corona cells had made in your body that need a proper treatment? Mostly all the damages are normal, but lung infection is major one and need a proper treatment. If you are in a good condition on 9 day, 7th or 9th day after infection, then need not to worry. Only you may face the problem of a cough and shortness in the breathing. You can use the nintedanib tablet to cover the breathing shortness problem. Also, I would like to mention one thing. If you are the okay, I will cover all the things in the next slide. In corona, most of the people facing the problem of the shortness in breathing. Let's see why these kind of the problems observed. Generally, corona affect directly on your respiration system. Its infection causes some damages on different lobes of the lungs. Okay, and that result into formation of the bruise on different lobes of the lungs. When this bruise get a scare on it, then it affect on your spreading of lungs while breathe in and breathe out. Generally, when you breathe in and breathe out, your lungs are getting sprayed and get contracted, and spread and contract, spread and contract. This cycle is continue. But if there is a formation of scar, then the spreading of the lungs is very difficult, and that is why there is a shortness of the breathing, and this results into the dama. Okay, so best way to keep watch on the SpO2 level. If your SpO2 level is go below the 90 or below the 85, but if you are not feeling the dama while you are moving from one place to another place, then you need not to worry. You will get covered with a medicine. Important things to remember in the corona: do not take a maximum kadha and all the ayurvedics uh, recipes are given for manufacture of the kadha, which results into mouth ulcer, and you will be not able to eat properly. The basic important treatment for the corona recovery is nothing but your diet should be proper and healthy. Though you are not able to take much food, but you have to take much food to boost your immune system. Need not to drink hot water whole day, only take in the morning or while sleeping, that is quite sufficient. Most of the patients observe that they are whole day they are taking the hot water, even while eating taking food they are also taking the hot water, which is effect on your food intake. So best way not to take hot water, only take in the morning and in the night. Okay, then drinking hot water whole day enable you to take. Okay, that's we have covered already. Yeah, if your oxygen level is below 90, you need not to worry. Okay, this also we have covered. Try to avoid private hospital. Yeah, this is important point. Try to avoid the private hospital. I will suggest all of you to go for the all the government corona centers. Government has taken a pretty well care of the all the patient, all the corona centers, all the facilities provided by them, and even food quality is also good, quite good. I have observed in the private hospitals also they are hiring the one mess and etc. Or hotels to serve food to the patients. But I have observed the quality given that is not good. But I have also observed the quality given by the government hospital. It is very very good, and patients are eating, taking much more food, those which is required for the corona patients. Okay, next slide. Treatment available and given by all the doctors. This is very important treatment. Huh? Please note it down. Vitamin B sachet 60k. It is a power 2 per week. Okay, then ivermectin tablets, one tablet per day. Take it only for the 3 days. Then a fabi flu for the 10 days. First day you have to take a dose of the 800 mg two times. That is a 1600 mg. Okay, thereafter 400 mg two times for 9 days. Next 9 days. Okay, means you have to take 800 mg dose per day for next 9 days. Okay, then methylprednisolone. It is a steroid, and it is a for pharmaceutical name is a myprid. Okay, take it for the 10 days two times after food only. Then if you are not able to take the food, then take a pandy before your food, so you can take the good food. Of course, as I have already mentioned, the good food intake, it is very important, and it is first and best treatment for the recovery of the corona. Then ecosprin 75 mg if patient is older than 50 years old. See, observe, please understand. Most of the time, what happen because of these medicines, there is a clotting of the blood gets started, and which may result into heart attack. It has been observed most of the people got dead in the corona because of the attack only. So best way ecosprin 75 mg tablets which will dilute your blood, and which will thin your blood. So take a ecosprin 75 mg. Even I will recommend, if you are above 30, you should go for the ecosprin. Then take a doxy 100 mg 10 days two times. Then becozing 10 days one time in a day. Then paracetamol 500 mg 5 days, 2 times after food, only if you have the fever. Okay. Then AB flow and 10 days, one per day after food. Okay, guys, you need not much worry for the corona, because nowadays corona recovery rate is very good, and this treatment is the best for all the corona patients. And overall, all in the world, only this treatment is the given. Fabiflu tablet I have already mentioned, it is very helpful, but some precautions are to be take into consideration while taking the Fabiflu tablets. If you are the pregnant, then please do not go for the Fabiflu. But of course, corona recovery is important. So kindly contact your doctor and ask them about the Fabiflu. If you are diabetes, you have the kidney problems, then also you cannot take the Fabiflu. If you are having the liver problem, then also you cannot take the Fabiflu tablets. This is all about the medicine. Okay, friends, this is all about the corona and its symptoms, its deep information, and about this treatment. Okay, guys, definitely seems this treatment is helpful to all of you. Thanks a lot for watching.